Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to view offline videos on TikTok. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open TikTok mobile application here, right? Now just go to your profile icon, and once you are into your profile icon on the top right side corner, you will see these three menu icons. Just go over there. Now go to the setting and privacy. Scroll a little bit down and here you will find the option of offline videos. There's option over the videos to make them offline. Once you do it, it will get saved here. Right, and here it says that download videos to watch offline. They will be refreshed with the new content when you're connected to Wi-Fi, so you can just select up to your limit. It also affects the quality, depending on your internet connection. Now you can just click on 50 videos or 100 videos, just click on download, and it will be downloaded. After that, you can view those videos offline. And this is pretty easy. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.